These trends are really popular, you see them every time, but it doesn't make them nice, it doesn't make them acceptable, and you wouldn't know how ugly these trends are until you come in contact with them face to face in real life. See, forget all the cameras that they will use to cover it and make it look nice. Some trends are not nice and should be dropped in 2023. The number one is this glass skin trend. Everybody wants to have butter skin, glass skin, and somebody just starts to heap Vaseline or grease or oil on their face to give you an effect of glass skin. In short, when you mention glass skin, the next thing people think about is a skin that is filled with oil. Now it's so bad that most influencers, some people that are not even influencers, that just make videos, now pack oil or anything greasy on their face to represent glass skin. That's not glass skin. Now there are a lot of skincare routines outside there that can really make you have a flawless skin. Your skin does not have to be excessively oily and glowy for you to feel like your skin is healthy or your skin is giving. Most times these pictures are not even giving. Most of you just go and eat rubbish on your face and you come out and you start doing like and it doesn't make sense. That's not glass skin. Stop misinforming people, and you guys to stop following trends that are not somebody come and heap something oil on their face is almost dripping of oil, and that is what you want to follow. You are obsessed with wanting your skin to be like that. That is not glass skin. So stop the misrepresentation and don't be gullible. Don't think that is glass skin. Number two ugly trend in this video is this extra long nails with the realistic illusion. Now you see a lot of people taking like different items and filing it on their hands to have an illusion of that exact thing on their nails. You don't not even make it to be moderate size, you now make it extra long. You see somebody takes plank, somebody takes fruit, puts it on their nails, adds gel on top of the nails, and at the end of the day the nails are not even looking nice. I've even seen one with a face illusion and the eyes were there, the mouth was there was air, and I'm like, is this now art or nails? I understand that sometimes you really want to go artistic. Everybody is going artistic these days, but there are just some things that are content and should be left as content. Don't come and start bringing air on your nails and going out. How do you even eat with that thing? Another is lashes. I thought we already stopped this in 2020, 2021, 2022. I didn't know that some people still brought this into 2023. Now that people now even fix individual natural lashes, some people are still going overboard with it, like fixing extra long eyelashes extensions. It's not nice. Like, take a look at this. You are not looking nice with this. It's not taking you anywhere. Please, let's stop it. Either they're individual lashes or ready-made lashes, it is not nice. Don't overdo your lashes. When they are too full, when they are too long, it's no longer giving the effect of lashes. It looks like what exactly you're saying. Here is another one. Why in God's name will you think you can watch somebody bleach their brows and look nice and carry bleach and bleach yours and go out and think that you're fly, you're giving? Sister, you are not giving anything. The only thing you're giving is somebody that might not seem really okay, because when people see it for the first time, they're like, what is this? It's not nice. There's not one person I've seen that thing on and I've said, wow, this is nice. It is not nice. Don't bleach your brows for anything. Now when people follow trends, I feel like you should do it because they are fine, not because they are ugly. But I don't know why some of you will still choose to do what is ugly. But bleaching of eyebrows, it's trendy, but it's not nice, and I think that it's not even that popular, but it's still really popular because a lot of people do it. But it doesn't flatter anybody. Don't do it in 2023, please. Here's another one, graphic eyeliners. You know, when these things came out, they were so beautiful because people did not used to overdo them. You just see somebody that will just put like 1 or 2 strokes on their eyelids and they'll be looking really nice. That's something about graphic liner. That's even the beauty of graphic liner. You don't have to literally paint your face with it. No, you don't need it, just a few strokes here and there, and you can even be creative with it once in a while. Don't go out with your face full of graphic liners. The only time you are permitted to draw graphic liner on your face anyhow without caution is when you are going for a particular content, you're going for a particular look. But when you're going out, you're going for dinner, you're going for a date, and you feel like you want to look extra good, so you need more than the usual graphic liner on your face, it won't do you any good. It will even take from your makeup. It's nice when it's just a little, it gives you that air of sophistication, a little, but when you're not overdoing it, you don't look like what you want to look like. Trust me. The last one for this video is going to be lip overlining. Lip overlining are beautiful when you see it on some people, and they can be very ugly when you see it on some people. Now, the trick to lip overlining is you don't have enough of something and you want to give an illusion that you have it. That is the idea behind overlining your lips. I feel like it's people that have smaller lips that need it more, not somebody that has my size of lips now overlining. Imagine if I came into this video and my lips started from here. So that's how you guys look when you have big lips and you still decide to go on to overline your lips. Now you can just do it. Sometimes I like to do it to just a little bit, that it's not even obvious, not that you now start overdoing it and the first thing they see on your face is your lip. It doesn't flatter you. You need to learn that it is not every trend you need to follow, especially if you want to look good at all times. There are some trends that are better watched and are better practiced in your house. Don't take them outside, especially when you don't want to look like a masquerade. But then these are my opinions, and if you want to still go ahead and give any one of these a try, I wish you best of luck in it, and I hope that you do subscribe to my channel, and there are still many others that I can do, or the list is long and endless. You can add yours at the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and come back for more. Bye.